Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basic compatibility and getting straight into the menu. First, check your Samsung TV model and firmware so you know which options appear. Once done, plug the original HDMI cable into the active HDMI port and switch the TV input to that source. Make sure your game console or PC is powered on and sending a signal, otherwise the game mode toggle can stay hidden. Now, open Settings. You'll go directly to Picture Options to enable the feature. Next, you navigate the Picture menu and find Expert Settings. That's where Game Mode lives. Turn Game Mode on to reduce processing and lower input lag. This disables heavy post-processing. If you see Input Signal Plus or HDMI UHD color, enable it for HDMI 2. One features like 120Hz or VRR. Then, turn Game Motion Plus off because motion smoothing adds latency. Finally, confirm the TV refresh matches your console's output. 68 to finish, save the changes, then power cycle both the TV and your console to apply settings cleanly. Test responsiveness by running a fast-paced game. If you still see input lag or stutter, swap the HDMI cable and try another port, and toggle VRR or FreeSync on and off to isolate the issue. If game mode isn't showing, update the TV firmware, reset the Smart Hub, and only then consider a factory reset. One quick tip: keep firmware current. Many fixes come from updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.